Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Sargent number 97-0399 latch retraction lever for fire-rated doors. There is more than one latch retraction lever for Sargent vertical rod exit devices, non-fire-rated and fire-rated. This is the fire-rated version. Client ordered some latch retraction levers and said, boy, that doesn't match what I have. No, they had ordered the non-fire rated, and really in particular this return here is the short way to determine the difference between the two. Weighs 0.03 pound roughly. This is going to be stainless would be my guess. It is because it's marginally magnetic, very marginally, and it looks like stainless is the bottom line. Just a basic dimensional property. Overall length looks like it's about 3.5 inch overall length. Okay. Let's switch to the screen view now and let's take a closer look at some supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Here is the item that we are looking at. Let's take a look at some images that we have posted showing you what it looks like. Just different perspectives of the latch retraction lever. That's the back side. Now, there is some extended description information down below. There's a link, and by the time you're seeing this, this will be cleaned up. If you have a non-rated device, this would be the item you want, the 68-1155. Latch retraction for their 80 series Sargent exits. Gives you and for fire-rated devices only. Now there's a link below this video to the parts diagram showing the 97-0399. It is part 7 for these device types and is right here. Okay. And that top latching assembly, all of the parts are broken out and are available here. Now, speaking of parts, there is a link below this video, as seen here, to the manufacturer's page, where you can pull up not only all of the Sargent products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation as seen here, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. But there are parts manuals on here as well. Just do a find function for parts. Here's a 80 series 2019 parts manual. Right there. You click on that. It's 168 pages of all things exit device related parts from Sargent. The non-rated part number is 68-1155. And I know that I had said earlier that the difference was that return, but that's clearly not the case. Because it does feature a return. I guess what I should have said was this notch down here, this profile is clearly different, but they do all have a return. That's what I was driving at. This client had ordered indeed the part number 68-1155, and I want to show you hard to say what the case was. And the client had ordered when we ordered the 68-1155, this is what was shipped. What the client needs is this. This is and what the client ordered was the 68-1155. That is indeed correct. This is the documentation. So the client ordered the 68-1155 and did indeed receive the 68-1155. The client then sent this document and said, hey, listen, that's not what I need. This is clearly damaged, and that's where my confusion was coming in. This will have a return. This is a damaged 97-0399. And we can look at the parts drawing and say 97-0399. It will not have that second cutout here, but the 68-1155 most certainly does. So it's got that second cutout, which is not the one the client needs. Okay, so this matches this part number. This matches what the client needs, which is the 97-0399, except that this is damaged. And the client, of course, showing us what he needs from another working device. Okay. Alrighty, let's wrap up this video on camera. Before we do so, on that link to the manufacturer's page, there is also other encyclopedic documents that are here other than the parts manuals. What would be an example of that would be the 8200 mortise lock body parts manual. You're going to have a lot of information here regarding their different keying systems, their removable core material, how to pin their interchangeable core material, their restricted patented key material such as Sargent, and their degree is here. And then we have some extremely old catalog links that are here as well from the late 19th and early 20th century. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. In conclusion, if you have any questions on any Sargent parts, feel free to reach out to us. They have an exceptional technical support department. We can rely on them to help us sort out what a client needs. If you're not sure, if you've got it right, refer to the manual. If you're still not sure, refer to us. We'll be happy to make sure you get the right material, or refer to us first. Any questions on the 97-0399 latch retraction lever for fire-rated devices or any other Sargent product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.